What up guys, and welcome back to another video right onto my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna basically tell you how to fix every kind of crashing, lagging or freezing issue you're currently having with Horizon Zero. So stick to the end guys, this will be a step-by-step tutorial, and in the end you will perfectly know what to do in order to fix this kind of issue. Before we start right into the video, I just want to let you guys know that I would really appreciate it if you would just leave a like, a comment or a subscription right into my YouTube channel. It would really help me out and help me out as a little YouTuber as I am. But without further ado, let's start right into the video. So the first step you want to do is going to be to go to your launcher. So for me it's Steam. You're going to drag it into the middle of your desktop. You're going to take it, right click it, and afterwards you're going to click run as an administrator. This will cause your launcher to pop up and start, and I want you to launch your game in the launcher, and probably this will fix your issue. If this doesn't work, you're gonna take the launcher again, or the shortcut. You're gonna right click it. You're gonna go down to the very bottom where it says properties. You're gonna hit left click it. So this tab pops up, and what I want you to do next is gonna be to navigate right onto compatibility. So click that. And now I want you to simply copy my settings, so let's quickly run through it. The first thing you want to do is going to be to go to compatibility mode, and you're going to enable run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you're going to select the latest Windows version you have to. You're going to disable reduce color mode, disable run in 640 by 480 screen resolution, disable full screen optimizations, and enable run this program as an administrator, obviously disable register the program for restart. And afterwards you're going to hit apply and OK. The thing you're going to do for that is you're going to restart your PC, and afterwards you're going to see this administrator symbol right on it, and this will probably start every time you launch it with as an administrator. So this will help you to reduce your error or your crashing issues. Afterwards you're going to do the same thing for your game. So take your game shortcut, you're going to right click it and copy the same thing again. So do the same things for compatibility mode, and obviously restart your PC afterwards. So this was just the first step. The next step is going to be to simply go down to the bottom of your screen where you're going to see the taskbar. You're going to right click it, hit right click, task manager. And as you can see, you're going to see every single program which is currently running. So what I want you to do is going to be to go to processes. So go to the top left corner of your screen and click into processes. Once you're to processes, you're going to see CPU usage, memory usage, this GPU network, whatever. And the first thing I want you to do is going to be to end every single task which is currently having too much GPU or CPU usage by simply, you're going to see them as well. So especially the apps, not the background processes. But if there's any background process which too much CPU, GPU usage, you're going to also end this. So you're going to right click it. For example, for me it's Photoshop, I don't know. Right click it. Go down to end task, and this will end your task. So you're gonna repeat that for every single program which has too much CPU usage. You see this like darker yellow, or could also be a red, and you're gonna end them. So the next thing you're gonna do is gonna be to go to the top left corner of your screen where you're gonna click onto details. Once you're the details, you're gonna search for your game. I've currently not started it, but anyways, it doesn't really matter. Just do the same thing which I'm doing to Adobe Premiere Pro. So for the game, so you're gonna right click it. You're gonna hit set priority, and as you can see, it's normal. I want you to click onto high or real time. You need to just check which is working better. You're gonna hit that, hit apply, and you can afterwards just exit. Next thing you're gonna do is gonna go again to the top left corner of your screen, click on the startup. And now I want you, as you can see, I've disabled nearly everything. So I want you to disable every single program which is auto starting in the background, just to decrease your GPU or CPU usage, which you don't really need for that. So you're gonna basically, you see Adobe Updater Startup, you're gonna disable it by just right clicking it and click on to disable. You're gonna do that to every single program which is currently running and you don't really need. So we're finished at the task manager, so we're gonna end that. Afterwards, I want you to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where you're going to click onto the Windows settings, hit settings. And then I want you to click right onto system, where I want you to basically just identify your main monitor. Afterwards, you go down, you're going to change the scale and layout to 100% as recommended. The display resolution should be the same as in-game, just to decrease your crashing issue. And afterwards, I want you to click onto current sleep, go to additional power settings, And now you need to basically try which is working better for you. For me, it's balance, but sometimes it's high performance. So you're gonna click on the high performance or the balance and just try which is currently working better with your program. Other thing is obviously storage. Click onto storage, click onto configure storage sensor, run it now. Here I want you to click onto clean now. I won't do that because it takes a little bit. So if you're gonna click on clean now, it will just clean every single trash file which is currently on your PC. Go back. Afterwards, I want you to go back once. So now I want you to click onto gaming. Once you're at the gaming, you're gonna see Xbox game bar, and obviously turn this off. You don't need that, it will just suck performance. You don't need that at all, so just turn it off. And sometimes it could also be useful for people who have another system. So try it out, but generally I would just take this off. Captures, go there. And obviously this needs to be off, because obviously if you have something running in the background, it could also cause crashes mid-game, or can't even start the game, or have FPS stuttering issues. So just keep this off. You don't need that. Afterwards, hit game mode. Same thing again. For some people, it works better with game mode on. For other people, it works with game mode off. So just try this out. Now I want you to go back to your main settings and click onto update and security. Well, I want you to stick around Windows Update. And here I want you, as you can see, it's last check today, and I have the latest version of Windows, but I really want to recommend you that you need to check your Windows for updates. Because this will increase your power of your system, and this will help you a lot with like every single issue you're currently having. So I want you to check for your updates, update to your latest Windows version, and yeah, that should be it. Now I want you to go down to troubleshoot. And you can basically use your own system to search for data which is currently not working, and just try to troubleshoot. Sometimes it will find something, sometimes it won't. So just try it out. Afterwards, I want you to end this task. Now I want you to basically go to your drivers app or application at all, and I want you to update your graphics card to the latest version, because as the same as the Windows thing, you need to take care of your drivers and take them updated, because sometimes games won't work with the older version of your drivers, and yeah, so need to just keep it updated at all. The next thing I want you to do is basically to right click on your desktop, and if you have Nvidia, you need to click on Nvidia control panel. If you have another graphics card, you need to click on something else, so click on that. It will take quite a while. So once this is started up, I will perfectly run the 3D settings. So navigate to the top left corner of your screen. You're going to click onto 3D settings, go to adjust image settings with preview. And as you can see, there is a bar which says quality to performance. And so for me, it's working well with quality because my PC is working well. But if yours isn't and you have problems with crashing or something like that, I want you to take this bar and take it right back to performance, because this will just help you a lot with crashing issues. Afterwards, I want you to go to the top left corner again, click onto display, click onto change resolution. And now it's the same thing again. So I want you to basically try out different resolutions, and you need to check that your monitor's resolution is the same as the in-game resolution. Because if there is anything running wrong, it will probably cause crashing. So just check for that. So once you're finished with that, I would personally just recommend every time at all, just restart your PC, check for updates. When you're just restarting it, you can see there isn't anything. So restart your PC, and once you finish, just start your game over the launcher once and start your game just over the shortcut twice and try it out. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope that I could really help you out with this one. If it was like that, just leave a like, a comment, or a subscription right onto my channel. It would really make my day and help me out.